Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the actual file, open Word and select either a blank document or a template. Once open, set page size to letter or A4 and adjust margins between 0.5 and 1 inch so content fits neatly. Choose a clean font, 11 to 12 point for body text and 14 to 16 for headings, to improve scanning by recruiters. Make sure to set consistent spacing and alignment now. This saves reformatting time later as you add sections. Now you add the essential sections: contact info at the top, a concise summary, then experience, education, and skills. Use bullet lists for each job, start lines with action verbs, and include measurable results so accomplishments stand out. Apply word styles to headings and body text so formatting stays consistent as you edit. This also enables quick navigation with the navigation pane. Once done, use tabs or tables for dates to align them neatly without disturbing line wraps or spacing. Finish by proofreading carefully, running spell check, and saving both a docx and a PDF copy for employers. Make sure contact details are current and keywords match the job description. If you collaborate, use track changes or words resume assistant to refine phrasing. If the layout shifts when viewing on another computer, adjust styles rather than manual spaces, or switch to a built-in template to restore consistency. Troubleshooting tip: when formatting breaks, clear manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.